Okay. And God said, "Hey Google, activate let there be light."
Okay, activating the let there be light.
Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Olayinka Iwale. Today I'll be demonstrating one of my projects. And this right here is an home automation power extension. And basically, it's just a power extension with an IoT feature, giving us the ability to control its output over the internet via a mobile app or with Google Assistant. So this extension has 4 outputs in total. Obviously, we can see 3. It has 3 socket outlets and a lighting outlet at the side. And each socket outlet can accommodate a 3-pin plug and a 2-pin plug, giving us the ability to connect a total number of 6 electrical appliances plus the lighting, making 7. So here is a simple demonstration. Okay, and God said, "Hey Google, activate let there be light." And there
Got it.
was
Activating the let there be light.
light. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go on. Hey Google, activate the first outlet. That's the first outlet over there.
Got it. Activating first outlet.
Okay, this guy here is connected to the first outlet, so this basically not your regular extension. Okay, hey Google, activate the second outlet.
Alright, activating the second outlet.
And we got that guy over there, and we can put them off also. This guy here is an RGB LED strip connected to the second outlet. You can see the wire coming way down here. Okay, hey Google, activate turn off the first outlet.
Sure, activating the turn off the first outlet.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, hey Google, activate turn off the second outlet. And this guy here.
Okay, activating the second outlet.
Shut up, I ask you to turn it off. Hey Google, activate turn off the second outlet. This
Sure,
guy.
activating the turn off the second outlet.
And we have nothing connected to the third outlet right here, so it's basically a wall outlet or whatever you want to call it, an extension or whatever. But we could control this thing from anywhere in the world. We could plug anything and control it from anywhere in the world. So we basically could control it from its mobile app. Also, it have a mobile app where we could turn things on, and it's the third outlet. You can see the third outlet is also on. So when we turn them off, we have off, and off, and off. Bye. So with this device, we no longer need to worry about the power wastage and the potential electrical hazards that comes from forgetting to turn off an electrical appliance before we leave our house.